Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to use Afterpay on Amazon. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So before we start with the tutorial, I would like to say that Afterpay is not directly available as a payment option on Amazon. Amazon has its own installment payment program called Amazon Pay Later, formerly known as Amazon Pay Monthly, which allows you to split your payments into monthly installments. So to use Amazon Pay Later on Amazon, you need to check eligibility. Ensure that you are eligible for Amazon Pay Later. Eligibility criteria may vary depending on your location and account standing with Amazon. Then, add items to your cart. Select the items you want to purchase on Amazon and add them to your cart. Then, proceed to checkout. When you are ready to complete your purchase, click on the cart icon to go to the checkout page. Then, you need to select Amazon Pay Later. During the checkout process, you should see the option to choose a payment method. Look for Amazon Pay Later or Pay Monthly and select it as your payment option. Now, complete the application. If you haven't used Amazon Pay Later before, you may need to complete a short application process. This may include providing your personal information and consenting to a credit check. Next, choose the installment plan. After completing the application, you will be presented with installment plan options. Select the plan that best suits your needs.